Okay, I'm going to show you how to copy a syllabus into another course. So you're going to want to go into the course that you're putting the syllabus in. So for here, I'm going to put it in this one. And then on the left-hand side, you want to find Concourse Syllabus 1.3. Go ahead and select that. And it'll open up your Concourse syllabus. And here's what's in there right now. So really nothing's in there at all, none of the information. So you're going to go to the top here and click on Syllabus. And you're going to click on Copy. And then it's going to bring you a screen like this. And it says you're going to copy from. So we're going to copy from one that I've already built, because I've already completed it. And I'm going to leave it on my courses. But if you're copying from me, you want to change this to Other. But since I'm copying from myself, I'm going to leave it on my courses. But if you're copying from me, go to Other, and you want to type in plab, don't know if I need a dash, 1323. I'm going to click search, and that's going to pull up all of my plabs. Obviously, there's going to be a lot, so I'm going to look for the one that I want. I want just phlebotomy, and I want it from this spring 2024. So if you look here, I'm looking for spring 2024 right here, and this is the CRN number that I want to copy from because I've already done it in here. So I'm going to click copy. And then if you're copying for yourself, you're going to pick what you want to copy. So I know I want additional information copied. I want course calendar copied because I've already done it. I want methods copied. Course policy. I'm going to copy my supplies. I want to copy my resources. And because it's me, I'm going to copy my contact information. But if you're copying from someone else, I would not click this. Just leave it blank and then you can go add it. So we're going to hit copy and say yes, okay. Oh, I want to press that too. And say okay. So now if you look here, everything's been copied over from that. And all this information is really important, and I did put the withdrawal date in here already, so all of that information is accurate and up to date. I reviewed it all. As another instructor, you can look at all my policies and stuff and see if you need to edit them, but attendance policy can't be exchanged. Excuse policy can't be exchanged, but you can change your classroom manner if you would like, and etiquette, or you can leave it. It's up to you. This section cannot be changed. It needs to be left this way. And then you want to go in and edit your course calendar to meet anything you want to do. So if you're doing the lab section, you want to make sure the due dates match the lab section. If you're doing the lecture section, you want to make sure it matches. So I put lecture lab both on here so you can copy it into both. That way they just have one syllabus and one course calendar. So since I'm going to be doing, there is going to be some lab changes on here, and I copied this into my lecture. I want to edit these, and I think the only thing that really needs to be edited is some times. So I'm going to go back to the top, and I'll show you how you can edit. You're going to click here, and you're going to hit edit, and then you're going to go down to what you want to edit. So I want to go down to the course calendar, and I'm just scrolling down, and then I'm going to hit edit, and it'll open this up like this. And I'm going to move it to full screen because it's a little bit easier to work with. So really all these due dates should be the same. The only thing that's going to change is right here. I think it's open till 6 p.m. So we need to change all of the quizzes to say 6 p.m. And other than that, everything should be exactly the same. Because we meet on the same days. We'll meet on the same days. We don't have to. So everything should be around the same. The only reason these are different is because I make them do it prior to coming to class. And I give them 30 minutes after they get here. So they have 30 minutes to complete it in case they forgot. And they're not rushed to get it done at 5:30 or for, in my case, 2 in the afternoon. So that will all be done. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this for us. And then all you're going to have to do is copy it over into your shell. Here I'm going to change this to 5:30 because I meet at 5:30 with these students. So I got to change these times. Actually, I might just take it off because it'll probably be easier just to remove it and just say we're going to do it in class so they know that it's during lecture. And that's it. So then you want to go back. I want to get out of here and I want to hit save at the bottom. There's a save button. And then you're done. And when you're all done copying it in, you go back to the top and you can view it if you'd like. And then you want to go to audit. So you want to click on audit and it's in progress. But we want to put submit for review. So once you're done with everything and once you submit it for review, Dr. Westcott needs to look at it and make sure it's correct. If you make any edits towards it, you got to resubmit it for review. So don't submit it for review until you know you have it the way you want it. If you do end up going and making some major edits, you need to let Dr. Westcott or Miranda Lankford know because they got to go in and review it again. So I'm going to hit update and that's it. That's all you need to do. And so you can go back and view it if you want. The other thing you're going to want to do is go into your CV and put in your CV information, which is your education and stuff. So you can hit CV and you're going to add this information in. I think it's pretty self-explanatory once you do it. You can see mine's already in there. So it just gives history about where you got your degree from and stuff. So they typically want that in there. So that's all. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.